Good morning, Ma. You're welcome to Afovic School of Technology. I'm Sunday by name.
Morning, sir. My name is Florence. I'm here to inquire about your admission on ordinary certificate courses.
You're absolutely welcome, Miss Florence. Afovic School of Technology invites applications into these certificate courses. 1. NTC and NC for Ordinary and Advanced National Technical Certificate in Computer Craft Studies, Shipbuilding Craft Practice, Marine Engineering Craft, Mechanical Engineering Craft Practice, Plumbing and Pipe Fitting, Carpentry and Joinery, Painting and Decoration, Draftsmanship Craft Practice, Block Laying/Bricklaying, etc. 2. ANBC and NC for Ordinary and Advanced National Business Certificate in Bookkeeping/Financial Accounting, Secretariat Duties and Salesmanship. 3. General Education subjects for both ordinary and advanced level, and the examination to receive the certificates is originated and approved by NABTEB. The school looks for merit in all ramifications. Recognized professional certificate is quick access to gain employment when attached with your credentials. This application is open to all, including primary school holders, junior secondary school certificate holders, apprentice students and working class students.
Wow. This is mind-blowing. I've been waiting for this opportunity in the past few years. I'm so happy. I can now believe we have reputable and standard institutions contributing immensely to the development of this country. Where and how do I obtain the admission form?
Thank you, Miss Florence. We are honored. Interested candidates should apply online through our website, www.afovic.mg. You can also apply in our address location at Afovic School of Technology, Afovic Ventures Office, kilometers 3, Adiab Compound, along Abiyakuta/Ibadan Road, beside Cone Oil Petrol Station, Ogantoko, Abiyakuta, Ogun State. For further details, call the following numbers: 08107487318 or 070556999310. Interested candidates should apply online through our website, www.afovic.mg. You can also apply in our office at Afovic School of Technology, Afovic Ventures Office, kilometers 3, Adiab Compound, along Abiyakuta/Ibadan Road, beside Cone Oil Petrol Station, Ogantoko, Abiyakuta, Ogun State. For further details, call the following numbers: 08107487318, 07055699310. Announcer, Management.